The table below shows the number of storybooks read by each pupil in a group. Part of the table is covered by an ink blot. There were 45 pupils who read at least 2 storybooks, at least 2. So it's 2 and above. We have 45 pupils here. Each of the statements is either true, false, or not possible to tell. Now, look at the first statement. 7 pupils did not read any storybooks. That is true. So I'm going to put a tick here. There were 80 pupils in the group. We have 45 here. We have 8 and we have 7. 45 plus 8 plus 7 will give us 60 pupils. Since we're able to prove that there are 60 pupils, we have to take false. For the last statement, the number of pupils who read 3 storybooks was equal to the number of pupils who read 4 storybooks. If we get 45 minus 20, we have 25. Is it possible for us to get equal number? No, right? Because 25 is not a multiple of 2. We can't divide by 2. So it is false. Which of the following fractions is closest to half? Closest to half means which fractions form the smallest difference. Okay, so let's find out the difference for each of the option, every single option. 4/8 minus 3/8. 4/8 because half is 4/8. Make the denominator the same. 4/8 minus 3/8, we get 1/8. Half is 9/18. 9/18 minus 8/18, we get 1/18. Half is 6/12. 7/12 minus 6/12, the difference is 1/12. Half is also 8/16. So 9/16 minus 8/16, we get 1/16. Which of the following fractions is smallest in value? When the numerators are the same, the bigger the denominator, the smaller the value. So we have this as our answer. Option 2 is the answer. The denominator is the greatest. Similarly, for question 2, nearest to half, which of the fractions form the smallest difference? Okay, half is 2/4. So 3/4 minus 2/4, we get a difference of 1/4. Half is 5/10. 6/10 minus 5/10, we get 1/10. Half is 7/14. 7/14 minus 6/14, we get 1/14. Half is 4/8. 4/8 minus 3/8, we get 1/8. So the fraction, when the numerators are the same, the bigger the denominator, the smaller the value of the fraction. So we have option 3 as the answer. In the figure below, ABCD is a rectangle measuring 14 cm by 7 cm. 2 equal arcs are drawn from the midpoint X of the side AB. What is the area of the shaded part? It's a midpoint X of the side AB, so it's right in the middle. Okay, so in this case, we are able to just adopt the rearrange technique, or you can call it cut and paste. You will get the area of a square. So the area of the shaded part is simply equals to area of square. 7 by 7, and that will give us 49. That's the area. If the following pattern continues, what is the sum of the numbers in the 100th row? Let's find the sum of the numbers in the first row, 1, second row, 8, third row, 7 plus 9 plus 11 will give us 27. The sum in the fourth row will give us 54. If you could see, they are all your cube numbers. So 1 figure in the first row, we have 1 cube. 1 times 1 times 1. In the second row, we have 2 times 2 times 2, which gives us 8. In the third row, we have 3 times 3 times 3, which gives us 27. In the fourth row, we have 4 times 4 times 4, which gives us 54. In the 100th row, we have 100 times 100 times 100. And we get 1 million.